Yep. Gotta love the kids, man. ATL, baby. Woo! Yo. You might not be able to hear me right now because of the rain. I'm in the wind. Headed to Piedmont Park. Let's get it. Hey, what a view. Linux. Man, the good parts over here. These the good parts. The fancy parts. Alright, Alexa, which way we going? I can never remember my way around, to be honest. There's a maze down here, bro. Hope everybody doing alright. You know the sun out, you know what I'm saying? 2 wheels out then. Thought I beat the Atlanta traffic, come down here right quick. You know what I'm saying? Sightsee a little bit. Piedmont Park. I don't think I've rode there. Oh, there they go, patrolling. I don't think I made a video about it. Oh, we just cruising. Were they cruising like a villain? I think that was the saying, but they don't rhyme though, so I don't know if that was the saying. Like the saying, low-key got to rhyme for it to be valid. Yeah, I take it slow in the city, bro. Yeah, there's so much going on, bro. Between the roads being complete and utter dog water to the drivers who can't drive. I like sightseeing anyways when I'm up in that thing. There's always something new. Yeah, bro, them echoes are so satisfying to hear. I wish there was a way I could have like ear holes or something, bro, so I can hear it better. Another thing about Piedmont, I always be finding my trouble getting in. I need to find the parking deck. Try to bring it up on maps. It'll bring you probably here, which is not I think you got to pay for it. So not doing it. I had to go around the block. There has to be a garage somewhere. Just give me a flat patch of grass or something, bro. That's all. That's fine. A little gravel, preferably. Cause this is it right here. That's it. That is essentially it right there. Now if I had a bike, I can probably pedal my way through there. But I don't have that type of bike. A lot of construction here. Was that a dog? I know that must be annoying. Does your dog do that with every bike that falls through, that rides through? No right turn? That's fine. But I doubt the entrance. It's over here. I might need to go down one more street, not gonna lie. Got me on the hill. Got me on the hill. Don't test my clutch control. You gonna let everybody out the garage. See if we can book a left here. Cafe Internezzo Sugar Factory. It's funny how like you say it with a certain accent, everything sounds fancy. Alright, let me try to book this left here. See what happens. Is that a one-way? I believe that's a one-way, bro. I believe that's a one-way, Brody. What did it do? Maybe to the right here. I'm just gonna ride in, bro. I can't find parking, bro. I can't find it. So I'm gonna make it. All right, here we go. Piedmont Park. Ah, what a sight, you know. And guys, this is just the beginning, guys. This is just the beginning, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, we got a little lakefront over there. You know, we gotta check that out first. But such a vibe. This ain't gonna get jam-packed. All this open land. Look at this wonder here. Let me give y'all a little 360. Right there. Got some buildings, some ain't no skyscrapers. Look at my bike right there, sexy thing. People walking dogs, you got kids on fit, like survive. There you go right there. That lake view. That's a thumbnail right there, ain't it? Let me see if I can center it up real good. It's a thumbnail right there. Bam. Going down here. Clear your head. Clear your mind, thoughts. Hey, pretty sure people proposed over here. I wonder how deep this is, I ain't gonna lie. So it's peaceful. Now I'm gonna go somewhere where we got the blue waters, man. That's the only thing I gotta say. These waters a little green. I'm gonna see somewhere where we have like green waters instead. I mean blue waters instead. If I ever say something out of the whack, that means I'm focusing on something. I'm always thinking. These steps look a little archaic. Bro, I got too much jackets on, man. This is gonna be a workout. I'm gonna be breathing a little heavily if I ain't already, bro. Look at that field. Don't you just want to run on that? You see a field like that, I just want to run. Be a little kid again. Ooh, can I get these things right here? Let me see right quick. Man, I'm too tall, bro. Probably go break. Yeah, I can't do it. Probably go break them things anyways. I'm running out of breath, y'all. I ain't even do nothing. Speaking of, hold on, let my head up, man. I couldn't find no parking, y'all. I could not find no parking. I don't think you're allowed to roam about on that, to be honest. I think that's for planned activities, festivities. They have like 3 different playgrounds. Man, this little thing right here is like a meme, bro. That one square patch of grass. That's a nice little view line. That one square patch of grass, followed by just the rest city, man. Oh yeah, Spider-Man. I was finding Spider-Man. Just like, man, they gotta have some green somewhere, man. All them cities, buildings, streets, hot pavement. In the middle of it, right there, that little one patch of grass. It was one more field. I think it's down that way that I need to go to. think what I'm thinking of is a whole nother area. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that's B-Ball Courts. Here. Notice one thing goes around for a whole circle. That circles back around. But I'm looking for something in particular. Was it Centennial? No, I don't think it was Centennial. Yeah. I'll say, yeah. I'm going to end this video off with a nice sights, or somewhat of a sight. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm looking for. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, watching the video. I'm out.